What about sine 3? Sine 3. Again, we can use special angle here. 63 minus 60. 63 minus 60 will give us 3. Okay, so we can bring the special angle here. So this is going to be sine 63 degrees minus 60, which is sine 3. This is sine 63 degrees, then cos 60 minus cos 63 degrees, and then sine 60 degrees, right? So we have 1 over 2 from cos 60, then m, right, minus sine 60, that is root 3 over 2, and then cos 3 is square root of 1 minus m squared, right? So we have m over 2 minus, we said we can multiply this and this, because this is like over 1, then we get square root of 3 minus 3m squared over 2, then becomes m minus square root of 3 minus 3m squared, all this over 2.